at the moment. So the leaders have started arriving at the Prime Minister's residence. Jitin Prasada has just entered 7 LKM. The big inside scoop also is that Ravneet Bittu has also received a call. Apart from Jitin Prasada, S.P. Kumaraswamy, Manohar Lal Khattar, Arjun Ram Meghwal, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Bhagirath Chaudhary, Nityanand Rai, Rajnath Singh, Pankaj Chaudhary, B.L. Verma, Ravneet Bittu, Shivraj Chauhan, Giriraj Singh, J.P. Nadda, Amit Shah, Shobha Karanlaje are all at the Prime Minister's residence. Some more are expected to arrive. We have Amandeep joining us on the broadcast with more details. Amandeep, big inside scoop coming in. Ravneet Bittu has also received a call. Okay, before you answer, Chirag Paswan is speaking. All right, so he's not speaking to the media right now, but we know that he has also received a call. Let's go back to Amandeep. Yes, Amandeep, Ravneet Bittu has also received a call.
Well, absolutely, Swati. Ravneet Singh Bittu has also received the call, and the ministry has been confirmed. And in fact, we have confirmed from the family sources. Bittu's entire family is camping in Delhi, and now Bittu has informed the family members, first to mother and then other family members also, that he has received the call to sworn in as a minister in Modi 3.0 government. Ravneet Singh Bittu, Swati, has unsuccessfully contested the election from Ludhiana, but now he will be adjusted in the Rajya Sabha. He will be given the Rajya Sabha seat also, just because he has lost the election from Ludhiana in Punjab against Punjab Congress chief Amrinder Singh Raja Vading. But yes, one single name is very surprising, and it's one single name from Punjab who has unsuccessfully contested the election. Ravneet Singh Bittu is confirmed that he has received the call to sworn in as a minister. Now the family is celebrating. They all are camping in Delhi, and Ravneet Singh Bittu is the grandson of ex-chief minister who has been assassinated in Punjab, Beyant Singh, and in fact recently joined BJP. He was remain in the Congress party, and he was MP also from the Congress party from Ludhiana itself. But before this Lok Sabha elections, Ravneet Singh Bittu has joined the BJP, condemning the Congress policies, and he has came into the fold of BJP. And when Amit Shah has held a rally during the Lok Sabha elections in Ludhiana for Ravneet Singh Bittu, he also confirmed publicly that bring Bittu to victory, and he will be given the big responsibility in center. So this is what the responsibility now the BJP is going to give Ravneet Singh Bittu, and he will be sworn in as a minister. Portfolio has not been confirmed, but yes, Bittu will be minister in Modi 3.0.
Right, that's a very interesting development. In fact, let me bring in Sabyasachi as well. Ravneet Bittu lost from Ludhiana. His family is confirming that he has received a call as well. On the other hand, of course, Mr. Ramdas Atavale is a Rajya Sabha MP. He has no MPs in Lok Sabha, but he was a cabinet minister in Modi 2.0 government. He has also received a call. There are some interesting developments coming to fore.
Well, absolutely. You see certain interesting development that is taking place. If you talk about Ravneet Bittu, he has lost the poll. Despite that, he has got a call. And Ramdas Atavale, who does not have any representative in the Lok Sabha, he also gets a call. See, somewhere the BJP might be thinking that at this particular point, when there are a lot of upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections that is going to take place in different states. If you see right now also, the movement is taking place, and the leaders are continuously coming in. So if you see that, if you talk about Ravneet Bittu and Ramdas Atavale, majorly the move from the BJP side is Sabka Saath. At this particular time, they want to showcase representative from different political party going ahead, showing the strength of the NDA. That could be one of the possibility why the BJP has given the ministerial elect or ministerial candidate to all different people from different political parties, be it from the allies or be it from within the BJP itself.
Absolutely. Let me in fact bring in Pragya as well. Pragya, young cabinet ministers, first-time cabinet ministers, those who have been retained, these are all headline stories. Another important angle, which is a headline story, are the outgoing ones. Okay, I believe Pragya is not with us on the broadcast. Let me quickly go back to Sabyasachi on that. Yes, Sabyasachi.
Swati, can you repeat the question?
Well, Sabyasachi, I was talking about, multiple angles that everybody is going to track. The young cabinet ministers, first-time cabinet ministers and those who have been retained. Stay on with us. We're getting some more breaking input, Sabyasachi.